Let's get glowing without compromising your delicate skin barrier. Step 1. Cleanse. First up is our Vibrant Cleanse Biome Enzyme Cleanser. This gentle exfoliating face wash is packed with nourishing ingredients like kumquat, kiwi, neem, and papaya extracts. It removes impurities while restoring your skin tone. Plus, it features prebiotics, probiotics, and postbiotics to promote a healthy microbiome. Say goodbye to dullness and hello to a fresh, vibrant complexion. Step 2. Tone. Next, we have the Vibrant Tone Clarifying Biome Toner. This refreshing toner is your secret weapon against redness and enlarged pores. Infused with lemongrass and vitamin C, it revitalizes your skin while balancing hydration. The Biofense probiotic supports your skin's natural microbiome for a radiant glow that lasts all day. Step 3. Defense. Now onto the powerhouse of our routine, the Vibrant Defense Blemish Clarifying Serum. This potent vitamin A serum combines retinol and bakuchiol to combat blemishes and minimize pore appearance. Enhanced with Biofense and Black Biome, it restores your skin barrier while calming irritation. Get ready for smoother, clearer skin. Step 4. Restore. Don't forget to lock in all that goodness with our Vibrant Restore Clarifying Moisturizer. This nourishing moisturizer is crafted with prebiotics and postbiotics to hydrate your skin barrier and support your microbiome. It's perfect for calming imperfections and providing lasting hydration without harsh ingredients. And for those pesky spots that pop up unexpectedly, we've got the Vibrant Spot-On Blemish Treatment. This targeted serum is packed with natural blemish-fighting ingredients like totterol and licorice root extract. It turbocharges your skincare routine by helping to clear up imperfections quickly. Ready for a clean beauty? Visit our Vibrant online shop today and give your skin the love it deserves. Let's glow together.